Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's Whatever Wednesday, I figured I might as well show you how I print out larger scale images for stenciling and just signs and design work like that. I have gotten quite a few comments just asking how I do this. Now, I did film a little bit of a tutorial within another video, but I didn't want to keep sending people back to a video that they didn't have any interest in, so this is a dedicated video. But without further ado, let me show you how I personally print out images in a larger scale format on a regular printer. So much for watching. I really hope this video helps you out in printing out larger scale images. I know that there's several different ways in order to do this, but this is the way that I found that's kind of foolproof that I use all the time. And I hope it helps you out. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I will answer them, and I'll pin my answers up at the top. So if anybody else has questions, you can see the pinned comments on the top of the comment section. Anyway, I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I'll see you guys on Saturday for another DIY video. Bye guys!